Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the camera tips on iPad Pro M5. So first, open the camera, and here first we have a couple of photo and video options such as time-lapse, slow motion, video, photo, portrait, square, and panorama. When you go into a photo, we have options right here. So we have the flash, auto on, off. Here we have the live photo option to enable or disable. Here we have something that when you click to make a photo, first you have a countdown. Then here you can change the camera from front to back. Then on video we have the flash. Okay, please open this. Here we have the resolution of the video. Here we have the FPS and once again change of the camera. In time-lapse we don't have anything. In slow motion we have the FPS value and the resolution. In portrait mode we can only take a photo of the front and we have the flash. Here we have the blur and once again countdown. In square we have just the countdown and the flash, and in panorama we don't have anything. To make a panorama photo you need to click and move your camera with the arrow. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.